Somebody just came in about an hour ago. We're gonna go ahead and put the fog light in, and we're gonna change the passenger side headlight. I could have made it look new, but the customer had already bought the headlight, so I'm gonna just go ahead and put that in for them. And I just realized they bought the wrong one. This one has a black finish on the inside, and this one is clear. You can clearly see that it's a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in though. They bought it themselves. Alright, I just changed the headlight. Car came in an hour ago. I just changed the headlight. Now we about to fix this fog light and the bumper. I got the heat going on. Get it nice and soft. Okay, it's nice and hot. Put my hand back here. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, now let's heat it up and try to get the little dimple out. Let's go back and forth. Get the dimple out, and then I'm gonna go underneath and take that cover loose. The light is broke. The tabs. I mean, I might can fix it, but I got a new one right there. You know, the customer bought their own parts and then just dropped it off. So I said I'll fix it real fast. I mean, let me see. Yeah, if I take the time, I probably could fix that one. I mean, the glass is not broke. It's just the tabs are broke on the back. I got it out. Starting to come out of that little dimple right there. I might not even worry about it. It's coming out though. Too hot. I know if I can push on it and then, but it's too hot. I should have brought something to press on it. But this is good. Ouch. Ooh, that's hot. I mean, that's good enough. So I'm gonna just go ahead and fix the light and be done with it. I told him I wasn't gonna paint it. I was just gonna pull that out and put the light in. And like I said, I just put that light in a few minutes ago, so just wanted to show you how you can do stuff real quick. But I gotta go lay down and go up underneath and take the skirt loose so I can get my hand in there and fix the light. And then I'll call them, they come pick it up. All right, let me go ahead and take this one back out. All right, I got the light fixed. I got all the tabs fixed. Everything is back in place like it's supposed to be. Let's take a look at the other side. Yeah. Everything is like it's supposed to be. So I fixed it. They bought one, which I showed y'all in the video earlier, but they can send that back and get their money back. Like I say, a lot of shops won't fix stuff. That's why she bought that, because another shop told her that she needed it. But then for some reason, she ended up bringing it to me. Either way, I fixed it. All right, got everything situated. Light is in. dent in the bumper fixed.